The tiny elephant walks through a sunny field of flowers, sniffing each one with curiosity. Suddenly, he lets out a huge sneeze, and a splash of water sprays everywhere. He blinks in surprise and looks at his trunk. He sniffles again, and another big sneeze sends water flying into the air. His little animal friends jump back, laughing and shaking off the drops. The elephant feels embarrassed and tries to hold in his sneezes. But every time he smells a flower, his trunk twitches and a big splashy sneeze bursts out again. His friends tell him it is okay and that his sneezes are funny and fun. The tiny elephant finally lets himself sneeze freely and sends sparkling water into the sky like a fountain. Everyone dances in the falling drops and laughs together. At the end, they all sit under a rainbow made from the mist. The tiny elephant smiles and realizes that even his sneezes can make everyone happy.